Hello, this is CVC Words activity file. It is contain flashcards and simple matching worksheet maker. It is including 70 CVC words with pictures. You can display on the PC or interactive whiteboard, so you do not need to holding flashcard physically. If you tap next button, change CVC word with pictures. There is an option you can flash only pictures. If you tap word off button, you can flash only pictures. If you go back showing word, you can tap word on. If you want to practice short CVC words, you can filter on the CVC words list and paste on the study word sheet column A. You can paste 7 CVC words on test words section. This is worksheet you can print out A4 one page. If you tap change button, you can generate different version. You can print out from this print button. If you cancel print, it comes out dialog. You can choose stop. It is not big problem. Don't worry. Even if you make mistake, you just cancel by red button. It is applied worksheet protection some of sheets, but not set password. Feel free to change as you like.